Welcome to today's home tour. Today is very special because I was able to find a neighborhood right in the center of Richmond, Texas, but I also offers a zero down payment program. I'm very excited about this one because the house is under 400,000. The neighborhood offers a zero down payment program, and also all the appliances are included. I can't wait for you guys to check this out. If you're new to the channel, my name is Solomon Sage. I'm a local real estate agent here in Houston, but I also serve all the surrounding cities. If you're thinking about relocating or you're thinking about buying your first house, whether it's in 9 days or even 9 months, do not hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information will be in the description below, and all the information about this neighborhood and this house that we're about to tour will be in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be happy to have a conversation and help you not only buy smart, but also find the right house for you and your family. Without further ado, let's go enjoy this home tour.